Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is about optical networking and we are starting from basics. So a basic optical link looks like a simple transmitter, receiver and signal traveling through fiber reaches to a receiver and we receive it. And how this signal is transmitting through a link, it depends upon optical transport network hierarchy. And SDH, which is the synchronous digital hierarchy, is the older version, but it does not contain any error correction and it was designed for time division multiplexing. Whereas OTN gives strong error correction and designed for DWDM system, dense wavelength division multiplexing, and are currently used in long haul transmissions. Think of SDH wearing a safety helmet. This is OTN. It takes whatever you want to send, like Ethernet, video, voice, then wraps it in a protective digital envelope that has a powerful error correction system called FEC built in. The FEC can actually fix errors that happens during transmission without retransmitting anything. This is critical for long undersea cables where you cannot ask for a retransmit. So basically OTN has three types of layers: optical payload unit, optical data unit, optical transport unit. What these layers are actually doing here, OPU contains actual client data inside it, and ODU adds path overhead and monitors connection, and OTU is the outermost layer, adds FEC. FEC is forward error correction. This OTU work as envelope with tracking and correction. So OTN wraps these all rare layers and frames inside it, but in better version, to better visualize these layers together, how they are connected to each other, I have a different image. This will give a better visualization for these layers, how they are working and connecting to each other. So first comes OPU, which contains client signal and handles Ethernet, SDH, whatever data you are sending. And then comes ODU, which is monitoring path and tandem connecting monitoring. Then comes OTU that adds FEC and section monitoring. So this is the total OTN wrapper. So if I combine all the terms and then explain, this image contains all the terms. Here comes client signal. Then this signal at the transponder transmitter goes through all the frames and layering, optical payload unit, data monitoring, OTU FEC, and travels through the fiber and reaches to transponder at receiver and then go through these layers and frames, and FEC corrects, ODU checks, OPU unwraps, and then comes the output and we receive it. So basically it wraps the data, transmit as light and unwrap and perfectly recovered at the end. Thank you for watching.